slick and slicky, slicky, slick now. You better, girl. Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have a really small IBOTTA haul for you guys, but I think it's some good deals, so I've got to share it with my lovely people. All right, so let's jump into the haul. First thing that I got was the Buy Kotex Security Light Days. These are actually liners, okay? This is a 96 count pack of the liners. These were priced $5.47 in my Walmart. I actually got 2 boxes, and the reason being is because I was trying to accomplish a fetch rebate that I had that was tracking, and I needed to spend like $8.85 more. So this was a total of $10.94, and it was gonna give me $5 or 5,000 points. Now, the great thing about this is that this particular one is attaching to 2 rebates with IBOTTA. It's attaching to a $3 rebate, and it is attaching to a $2 rebate for each one. So that made this be a good deal, okay? Actually, with the fetch rebate, it actually made it be a money maker. So I paid $10.94 in store for the 2 boxes. I got back $3 and $2 for one, $3 and $2 for one, so $5 for each box coming back, plus the $5 from Fetch for a total of $15 back, making these be free and a $4.06 moneymaker. Good deal, good deal. Now, the next thing that I got was some Cream of Nature products, okay? This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, guys. I can't wait to try this next time I twist my hair up. So this was priced $4.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, but I did have a $2 rebate from IBOTTA. I had to pay the $4.98 in store, got back $2, making the final cost $2.98. Let's see what it smells like. That's a good smell. It does say to shake it well before you use it. So you just shake it well. Once you shampoo your hair is damp, and put it on there. So I can't wait to see what it does. The next thing I got, that's my clipboard falling. The next thing I got, guys, was the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Perfect Edges. Okay, this was priced $4.56. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid $4.56 in store. There's a $2 rebate from IBOTTA, making the final cost $2.56 for some edge control, honey. I think that's a good deal. Now, they actually did have the dark one as well, the black one with color. I guess if you got thin edges, maybe you could put that on there and fill them suckers in, okay? Now, let's see. I'm taking it out because Crystal gonna use it. This is going to be used. Yeah, it smells like the other stuff, really. Yeah, so let's see what it gonna do now. Yeah, slick and slicky, slicky, slick now. You better, girl, you better do it, Edge. Go ahead, slicky, slicky, Edge. Yep, works for me. Good deal. Now, purchasing the 2 Cream of Nature products did give me a $1 bonus, so that actually made this be an even better deal. The next rebate, guys, you already know. The Alwaysies, the underwear, okay? The menstrual underwear, this is the 3 count, $3.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon because the P&G coupons ain't gonna work on this deal, but that's all right because they say, nope, we're gonna raise it because y'all ain't about to get our stuff for darn near free. So I had to pay $3.97 in store, got back $2 from IBOTTA. Final cost $1.97. I'm cool with that because I love these things, guys. The last rebate, guys, was a Pepsi. Yeah, $1.98. You heard me, $1.98. Absolutely ridiculous. That's like a 2-liter price. I swear it is. Okay, Walmart, you tripping. $1.98. Had to pay it, no coupon. 25 cents back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.73 for Pepsi. You know, I like to just throw them in the pantry. I still have my little cans, my little mini cans, because Crystal is on a weight loss journey. I haven't shared it with my lovely people. All right, guys, let's jump into the numbers. What everything cost was a total of $26.43. Now, I used a $5 Shopkick gift card from Shopkick. Use that in store to pay, dropping my cost to $21.43. Now, what did I get back from Ibotta? I got back $16.25 in rebates from Ibotta. I got the $1 bonus for the Cream of Nature products. And from Fetch, I got back $5.15, okay? Because there was a few other things that I purchased that were not Ibotta rebates. I purchased some Sargento cheese, so I think it gave me a few little bits for that, and it probably gave me a little bit for the Pepsi. So that gave me back a grand total, making everything be free, and a 97-cent moneymaker. So this was actually a great deal because of those Fetch points. Oh, I did look at the oranges. I was trying to do the lemons and the oranges through Shopkick. However, I couldn't find the lemons from Chile. Okay. So I did find the oranges though. So the oranges were actually priced $4.54. It was only giving you back like 84 cents from Shopkick. So that's the reason why I didn't get the navel oranges. Now, of course, if you guys need to get navel oranges, then, you know, it's going to give you 84 cents back. It's better than nothing at all if you're planning on buying oranges. I, however, was not, okay? I didn't want to pay that much. Now, I just am trying to get my mid-week bonus, which is $3 for 8 rebates. I need to do 2 more. I'll probably do them again tomorrow when these reset. I have very little money to pay into Ibotta. I didn't even complete my $10 bonus, guys. Like, I know that's so unheard of with Coupon and Crystal. I did not do it. I did share with my friend Tiffany, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson, that I did not complete that $10 bonus. Therefore, I forfeited the $5 bonus. And you know what? I didn't care. I didn't care. I didn't care because my mind wasn't in it. When your mind is not in it, it's best not to coupon, guys. I promise you, because I did a whole video about that, to watch this before you start couponing, because that's one of the things. If you go and try to coupon, try to go do deals, and your mind isn't really in it, you are for certain going to mess up your deal in some form or fashion, guys. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to spend time with my husband. I don't care. He was off this Saturday, and here lately he's been off back-to-back Saturdays, which is very rare for this time of year. So it was just like, I'm going to spend time with him while I can, because once he starts back working Saturdays, it's a wrap. I ain't going to see him. We did have a gender reveal to attend for our son. So that was great. We did get to attend that, and we actually are going to show you guys that in a vlog I did for our other channel, Rich and Chrissy. So, you know, you guys will see it then. I'm going to upload it sometime this week. Oh, and Tiffany did mention, I think she must have went on the Buy Kotex website, possibly. I'm not quite sure, but I didn't see any coupons when I actually searched Coupon Tom, but there may be a way that you can actually print Buy Kotex coupons. I didn't try to do that, guys. So if you guys are aware of that, please leave it in the comments below for the other lovely people, so they will know that they can possibly do that. Crystal wasn't caring, wasn't about that life. And see, that goes back to the same thing I just told you guys. You need to coupon when you want to coupon, okay? And I wasn't in the mood to coupon because honestly, I feel like Ibotta hasn't had that many good deals. And I just need to let me just go coupon. Let me just go coupon and do 10 or 15 rebates. No, I'm not. And I'm going to say this again. I've said it before. Crystal is not about to just do deals, just to do deals, because I don't want to do that. No, I'm spending my coupon money. I ain't spending my coupon money on stuff I don't really want, okay? I appreciate you guys so very much for taking the time to tune in, to see what I'm doing, to find out the deals. I appreciate you guys so very much taking the time to like and subscribe to this channel. You guys are amazing. I will holler at you guys later. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.